No.
What you doing to your brother? Oh, trying to scare him. Well, Jackson, what's she doing to you? Addie. That is a horrible noise. You are so crazy. You are a goofy girl. Look. He's talking to you. What'd he say? What'd he say to you?
You eyeballed at me. You eyeballed at me. You eyeballed at me.
Hey, he said, hey. He said, hey, talk to me. He said, talk to me, sissy.
You won't stop. Hey, you're eyeballing at me. You eyeballed at me.
I think Sissy's going crazy. Look, Jackson can't even touch the floor. Addie, where's Jackson's legs? He can't even touch the floor.